Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Dream to English. In this video, I am going to discuss what are exclamatory sentences are and various types of exclamatory sentences that you can use in your writing or in your speech. If you have not watched my other videos on declarative sentence, imperative sentence, interrogative sentence and optative sentence, you can check out all these videos on my YouTube channel. My name is Dr. Ratan Patel and I am an English grammar trainer. So without making further delay, let's get started. Firstly, let's understand what are exclamatory sentences. Exclamatory sentences are sentences that are used to express strong emotions or feelings. These sentences are used to convey a range of emotions like excitement, anger, surprise, joy, and frustration. And these sentences always end with exclamation mark. Now let's move to different types of exclamatory sentences. So there are four types of exclamatory sentences. First one is statements of exclamation. These sentences are used to express feeling and emotions and always end with an exclamation mark. For example, what a beautiful day. I can't believe it. Now move to second type of exclamatory sentence, and this is interjection. These sentences are small phrases or word. These are used to express strong feelings and emotions. For example, wow, oh my god. Now move to third type, and third type is commands. These sentences can also be commands and are used to express urgency and excitement. For example, get out of the way, stop talking. And the fourth and last one is rhetorical questions. These are questions that are asked for effects rather than to elicit an answer. These sentences are used to convey a range of emotions like surprise, disbelief, and excitement, and always end with an exclamation mark. For example, can you believe how beautiful this is? Who would not want to go there? Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel for such type of informative and helpful videos. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.